Welcome back. In this practice, we're going to use number line to find the ratio of distance. The first question is, distance of AB to distance of CF, what is the ratio? AB is here, we can count 1, 2, 3. 3 units. We can also say we're going to use 3 minus 0. That is 3. So you pick your favorite method. That is 3 here. Alright, let's look at the CF. CF, we have C is 5, F is 11. If you use a subtraction, CF is 11 minus 5. That is 6. Of course, you can count from point C to point F. That is 6 steps. And do not stop here. We need to simplify. That's it. So the ratio of AB to CF is 1 to 2. All right, let's look at the next one. We're looking for BF to CD. B is 3, F is 11. Therefore, we have 11 minus 3. That is distance. Let's put in the absolute value. We're looking for distance. Remember, a long time ago, you learned how to look for horizontal distance. You say x sub 2 minus x sub 1, putting the absolute value. Vertical distance, y sub 2 minus y sub 1. It is on the number line, so we simply subtract the two values, or you can count. All right, let's look at the CD. Distance of CD. C is here, and the D is here. 2 steps. Counting is faster, so we count. That is 2. Of course, you can say 7 minus 5. Okay? Can you say 5 minus 7? Of course, as long as you put it in the absolute value when you look for the distance. Okay. Therefore, we have 11 minus 3. That gives us 8. And 8 over 2. Do not write down 4. Instead, you need to write down 4 to 1 because you're looking for a ratio. The form of ratio is A to B. Okay? All right. We finished the first one. We finished the second one. Let's look at the last one. Pause this video if you want to try it all by yourself. Last one is DE. D is 7, E is 8. So this one is really simple. It's just one step, 1 unit. And let's look at AC. A is 0, C is 5. 5 minus 0, that is 5. Or you can count 5 steps. It's already in its simplified version. Everything is good. Good job. Good job. Great job. Happy learning.